Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be discussing a very important topic, emergency items you should have in your car. Whether you're planning a long road trip or just commuting to work, having the right emergency items in your car can be a lifesaver in unexpected situations. So let's get started. One of the most important items to have in your car is a first aid kit. This should include band-aids, antiseptic wipes, gauze, medical tape, and other basic first aid supplies. You never know when you might need it, so make sure to keep it in an easily accessible location in the event that you or someone in your vehicle or even someone nearby may need emergency medical treatment. Another essential item to have in your car is a set of jumper cables. If your car battery dies unexpectedly, having jumper cables can be a lifesaver. Make sure you know how to use them properly and keep them in your trunk for easy access. There have been many times where I have driven somewhere like to the ice cream stand down the street and my car actually died. Without those emergency jumper cables in my trunk, I would have been stuck there. I would have incurred more fees by having to call roadside assistance to get towed or get jumped to a new location. So always make sure you have a set of jumper cables in your trunk, easily accessible in the event of emergency. Next up, you should have flashlight and extra batteries. If you ever find yourself stranded on the side of the road at night, a flashlight can be a real lifesaver. Make sure to keep a flashlight and extra batteries in your car at all times because you never know when you're going to need a bright light source or just a light source in general. Again, going back to if your vehicle dies, you won't have the light from your vehicle to illuminate the area that you're in or see inside of your vehicle to pull out any necessary items that you may need to help secure your own safety in an emergency situation. So make sure you have a flashlight and extra batteries on standby all the times in your car because you never know when you might need it. The next thing that you should have in your vehicle would be a blanket and warm clothes. If you live in a colder climate, it's a good idea to keep a warm blanket and some extra warm clothes in your car. In case you get stuck in your car for an extended period of time, you'll be thankful for the extra warmth. Here in the East, it gets pretty cold randomly, whether it's in the morning or at night. And again, you never know what kind of emergency situation that you'll be in. So it's always safe to just have a blanket, a nice warm blanket in the vehicle and some thick clothes, maybe a hoodie, sweater, maybe an extra set of sweatpants just to get you through so you can prevent getting too cold or getting hypothermia or things of the sort. Last but not least, water and non-perishable food items should definitely be in your vehicle. It's always a good idea to keep some water and non-perishable food in your car, such as granola bars or energy bars. In case you get stuck in your car for an extended period of time, you'll at least have some basic supplies to get you going until help arrives. Don't want to be malnourished, don't want to be dehydrated, so it's always good to keep those essential items in your vehicle so you'll be able to think clearly, stay calm, assess the situation, and be your best self no matter what the emergency is. If you don't know where exactly to get these essential emergency items, I'll leave a link in the description below so you can go in and shop, and they're pretty cheap. You can grab these items off Amazon, order them right now, stick them in your car. That way you can be prepared in the event of emergency situation. Thank you guys for watching. If you haven't already, hit the like button, comment, and let me know what other emergency items that you should have in your vehicle. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button, tag that notification bell so you guys can get updated every time I upload a new video. So there you have it, folks. There are just a few of the essential emergency items that you should have in your car. Make sure to keep these items in your car at all times and stay safe out there on the road. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.